Mael?
Gustav?
I'm sorry. On the beach I saw you and I couldn't, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
If death approaches, I want you to run. No, promise me. Run. Especially if we meet the man from the beach. We can't face him. You see him, you run.
Only if you do the same.
Oh, I'm running as soon as I see a strand of white hair, trust me. You won't even see me, I'm running so fast.
Oh, please, you're an old man. I can outrun you any day.
Yeah, right.
Please run. You promise! The painters, Renoir, they will pay. I'll save them, Gustav. Emma, your apprentices, everyone.